Communication Engineering. I am here for Google Developers. I am in Device Lab. In my first day, I learned how to join with others and how to interact with others and how to form a team and work as a team. And my second day, I was very excited that what I'm going to learn, and I also learned how to create my own blog. It's very happy that I have created my own blog, and I also done a digital resume with my friends' help. They helped me a lot, and on the third day, Sandal sir came and he gave his ideas and his experience, and another man came. His name is Satish. He gave his ideas about startups and how he experienced his life from his beginning and how he studied, and based on his I got some ideas about startups, and I also have some ideas like in future I may join and with friends and have startups. And fourth day I hosted my website in 5 days. Some of my friends helped me a lot. Hello, I am Nitya Lakshmi. I am from Chennai Institute of Technology. I am pursuing BE in Electronics and...
Hi, I'm Hanisha, coming from Chennai. I am pursuing my bachelor's degree in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. This program was an industrial bootcamp, and the title of this bootcamp was Out of Box. This Out of Box is the name which was kept by Mr. Sendil Kumar sir. What he aims is bring the students from the tier 3, tier 2 type of students over here to a metropolitan city, and tier 3, tier 2 students to the metropolitan cities, and also the environment of an IT environment over here in Bangalore. And the whole program was like designing, developing, and also a little bit of programming. What our students' way of thinking towards IT environment is completely programming. What this program is entirely different from it, where it consists of completely designing and developing part, in which the developing part is like we studied about the Android, and also the designing part like UI designing. In developing, we designed our own website, and also from various colleges we came here, and those cross field of colleges we built a team, and also with that team we built a website like a startup. And my team name is something called Technojoy, and my team colleagues are Bhargavi and Rajesh, in which we have designed a website for a team, and also we also done a digital resume of our own selves, and also we interacted with many startups. Day by day we are interacting with many startups. Like the second day we met a person named Satish, who's actually 23 years of old. He shared his experience over here, so that we are inspired by his story. And also Mr. Jagannathan, he was already owning around 4 startups, in which he interacted with us something like virtual reality and augmented reality as well, like hosting something Meetup, Me2 Mentor, and also GitHub. As the last day of this program, we learned about something like GitHub hosting, where many people are connected in that GitHub, and also web hosting. We used like Firebase for web hosting, and also we came to know about many things interacting with those startups. It was a completely entirely a very different experience what you have from the college to an IT environment. And I really thank Yogesh sir, who made me to come to this program, and also Sendal sir, who organizing this program, and also to my teammates who were with me and helping me to know many things what I don't know. And also the teams which we formed is a team together. If anyone knows something, they'll be teaching us. What the entire aim is, all the team members will know everything. That was the main aim, and thank you so much.
Hi, I am Bharat. I am coming from Chennai Institute of Technology in Chennai, and I am pursuing my BE degree in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Actually, I don't know what is the motto and what is the meaning of Google and how to use it and all. I don't know. Actually, they came to tell about this Google, and I don't know what is the internship in a company, what they will do, how they build softwares and that and all, develop the codings and programs. I don't know. Actually, they gave an idea in this camp. First day we came and we just form a group and we just interacted within ourselves. Then we become friends. Actually, then they gave some projects and works. We completed that.
Hello, myself I am Rajeswaran. I am doing my UG degree in Computer Science at Anjad College, Sivagasi from Tamil Nadu. I am here for last 5 days. I am coming to attend boot camp at NASCOM offered by Google's. I am working as an Android developer for last 1 year, but I know a little bit about how the programmers designers are working in industries, but I have no idea about how they are working as a community. After I am coming the first day, I know how I am learned how the developers are working as communities, the secrets of their success. Every time I wondered, every time when I am seeing Google's products or Google label, I wondered how the Google's reach their success. Now I think I found that the success was community. The alternative for communities is startup. Before I hear that the word startup, but how the programs designers are working in industries, but I have no idea about how they are working as a community. After I am coming the first day, I know how I am learned how the developers are working as communities, the secrets of their success. Every time I wondered, every time when I am seeing Google's products or Google label, I wondered how the Google's reach their success. Now I think I found that the success was community. The alternative for communities is startup. Before I hear that the word startup, but Mr. M. Sendil Kumar bro has told what is the startup and what is the importance of startup. After 2 days, I had a chance to interact with some of the startups at NASCOM. I had an opportunity to impress 3 out of 5 startups with my works. Thanks a lot for.
I'm Bhargavi from Chennai. I'm studying BE in Chennai Institute of Technology. I came to this industrial bootcamp through OneS Technologies. The main aim of this bootcamp is to make us to step out of our comfort box and get adapted to this new world. And it's very useful. First day when I came to this, I thought that something will be I don't know anything here, so I thought it would be very difficult for me, but it's very comfortable, and we had conversation with various startups and gained knowledge.
Mr. M. Sendil Kumar bro has told what is the startup and what is the importance of startup. After 2 days, I had a chance to interact with.
I had good conversation with startups and I gained more knowledge. I came to know about digital resume and have developed a website with my team members. A team was formed which is very useful to interact with each other and get knowledge about what we don't know, and it's and many startups came here to address us and they gave us more information about outside world. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Uma, coming from Chennai, studying my bachelor's degree in EC in Chennai Institute of Technology. When I come to know that I was selected in internship, I had no idea other than it will be full of programming, but coming here, it was totally a different experience. The day one, we were split up into team and we were assigned tasks to create blogs and to create their digital resume. Being a EC student, I had no knowledge about the coding parts, so my friends from the various different other college helped me a lot to code these tags, and with the help of mentors, we were helped to host these website into the net, and there was various startups over here who were people of 4 or 5 members. They are running a startup successfully. We met those startups and we gained a different knowledge and ideas how to start a startup, what are the troubles and struggles faced by them. Yeah, today I met Mr. Today I met Mr. Sundar Jagannathan, who gave us many idea about the chips and various 3D printing models, which were very useful to our ECE department. We also learned about the Android app. This internship was very useful for us. Thank you.